As the novel coronavirus.
COVID-19.
As we stay home, healthcare heroes are working hard to keep us all safe. Local companies are helping to keep up with the demand for personal protective equipment. This video is a how-to guide on 3D printing clips as a part of a face shield. Local company Tinkerine has been 3D printing face shields. Before you start printing, contact them and ask what parts they need most. Then visit their website to get the 3D files. Load the file into Cura or another slicing tool and copy the part. Adjust settings for a high-speed print. And send the G-code file to your 3D printer to get started. Any commercially available 3D printer will work. At Seaquam Secondary, we've dropped a few batches of clips off at Tinkerine. And now, it's your turn. If you have access to a 3D printer, please consider helping out.